to the world and verdancy back to the lawns. I want to begin a new song about a love I love and desire, but she has strayed so much away from me that I cannot reach her, and my words don't agree with her. Nothing can comfort me anymore, thus I shall let myself die. For slanderers have made me part from my woman. May God curse them, alas! I shall have longed for her so much that I weep and cry and sigh for her and go like a senseless thing. This woman you hear me singing about is so fair, I'm at loss for words. Fresh of color and fair of regard, she is of a white which doesn't darken. Yes, and she isn't painted, nor is there anyone who can speak ill of her. So noble and refined she is, and one should praise her above all, in my opinion, for her sincere words, her learning and her eloquence, for she never wanted to betray her friend. And I was a fool the day that I believed things I had heard about her, and did that which would annoy her. I don't ever want to deplore her, for still if she wants she can make me happy, and it is in her power to give that which would make me rich. I cannot resist for long, for it takes away my food and sleep, for she's out of my reach. Love is sweet when it comes, and bitter when it goes. For one day it'll make you weep, and another scamper and cheer. For I know about learned love, the more I believed I was serving her, the more she turned away from me. Messenger, go, and may God keep you, and may you know how to please my lady, for I cannot stay alive for long here nor resist down there, unless after having undressed her I can kiss and hold her in a curtained room.